year is 87.5 or better, and with no grade less than 85. For regular first-year students, the first semester grades are considered. The student must be enrolled in at least 15 units in a semester to qualify for this award. The pronouncements of the awardees shall be done by the deans and associate deans of their respective colleges following the same order. The College of Business Administration, followed by the College of Tourism and Hospitality Management, then the College of Industrial Technology, then finally the School of Law with their Dean, Attorney Marcelino Micael Lee L. Maxino, to be assisted by Attorney Mary Sloan T. Calyao.
College of Business Administration, Dean's List Award, Felix Matthew Abejero,
Princess Julia Abelia,
AJ Abrasado,
Jane Abuso,
Krista May Acapag,
Samila Gia Akar,
Jessamay Adlawan,
Gwen Syra B. Anil,
Gretchen Aguho,
Marian Rachel Alabado,
Keisha Karen Alatan,
Camille Aldion,
Jelaine Alegria,
Jezebel Clau Andales,
Crystal Rose Arbolado,
Darian Venice Asaido,
Jillian Asombrado,
Trisha Monique Aquilio,
Princess Bacara,
Janice Bastige,
Rendell June Baco,
Harold D. Bactol,
Jazel Jane Bacton,
Kezia Mia Bagtindon,
Giselle Baez,
Prince Merardo Balagon,